Ooh, it feels good. It's millennials' portable food. Mason jars. Guys, let's be real. The millennials, well, people hate them. And I do too, and I'm one of them. But they do have one thing going for them, and that is the fact that they have brought mason jars to the forefront. Oh yes, folks, we are moving beyond the mason jar salad and bringing you 3 amazing mason jar soups here that are perfect for bringing to work because they are portable, they are sustainable, and most importantly, they are totally Instagrammable. And my 3 recipes are both vegan and gluten-free, so they are super awesome for getting back on track this January. Okay guys, I'm super excited to get into this. Let's do this. First up, my miso noodle soup. My mason jar, I layer some sliced mushrooms, red bell peppers, some shredded bok choy, some extra firm tofu, some shredded carrots, some cooked soba noodles, a vegetable bouillon, miso paste, sesame oil, gluten-free tamari, and some sriracha. Then when I'm ready to eat, I just add my boiling water, give it a good stir, and enjoy. Next up, my Italian pasta soup. To my mason jar, I add some chopped zucchini, some cooked gluten-free pasta, some chopped green beans, some white beans, some chopped spinach, chopped basil, tomato sauce, some chili flakes, and some vegetable bouillon. Then I add my boiling water and enjoy. And finally, my chickpea beet soup. To my mason jar, I add some chopped zucchini, grated beets, some chickpeas, diced tomato, chopped parsley, and some vegetable bouillon, za'atar, lemon juice, salt, pepper, pepitas. When ready to eat, I add my boiling water and enjoy. So guys, there you have it, 3 amazing vegan and gluten-free mason jar soups that you are going to love and all of your coworkers are going to be super jealous of. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your favorite soup flavors. I will totally try to incorporate them into a mason jar soup recipe. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!